Isang energizing na hapon sa inyong lahat. Magandang hapon po. Kumusta kayo? Okay naman? Energized ba tayo? To the athletes, do you have your Milo packs? Do you want more? Okay, sige. So let's start the afternoon. I'd like to start by saying good afternoon to Senator Bongbong, POC President Mr. Abraham Bambol Tolentino, PSC Chairman Mr. John Patrick Gregorio, and the entire Philippine delegation papuntang SEA Games in a few days. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. Yes, as I was entering kanina, I couldn't help but feel the pride sa inyong lahat, sa lahat ng ating mga atleta, coaches, at lahat ng mga nagganap ng sports dito sa ating bansa. Every athlete who steps onto the field carries more than just their own dreams. Don't you agree? They carry ours. Bawat hakbang ninyo, dala ang pangarap ng buong bayan. So today, we are here not just to send you off, but to celebrate you, aming mga atleta, mga coaches, at entire delegation, bago pa ang medals, even before the victories. Because we at Milo believe that greatness starts at the finish line, right? It starts with the courage to compete, the discipline to train, the grit to overcome hardships, and the heart to represent our country. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo, aming mga atleta. For decades, Milo has energized champions, and now we lead the call to energize the nation. Because when we cheer today, we all give you strength for tomorrow. Gusto niyo ba yon mga athletes na chini-cheer kayo ng buong Pilipinas? Yes, right? Nafe-feel niyo yung energy, yan ang gusto nating mangyari. Higit pa talaga to sa isang send-off. Ito ay umpisa ng kilos ng suporta, pagmamalaki at pagkakaisa. So let's make sure our athletes, coaches, and the entire delegation feel the power of 110 million Filipinos behind them. Ipakita natin, nakasama nila tayo sa bawat laban. And so, let me just share with you the chant of the nation. So we at Milo, nung kinoconceptualize namin yung project, sabi namin, kailangan i-cheer natin yung athletes natin even before they go. So ang sasabihin ko sa inyong cheer ngayon, hindi nyo lang dito makikita. Abangan ninyo, pakinggan nyo ang suporta ng buong bansa para sa inyo. Kasi we know that energizing you energizes the country and will inspire everyone. So simple lang po yung cheer. Galing ay ilabas, galing ng Pilipinas. Okay? Okay, pwede ba natin ulitin? 1, 2, 3. Galing ay ilabas, galing ng Pilipinas. So pag sabihin kong galing ay ilabas, sasabihin ninyo, galing ng Pilipinas. Okay ba yon? Sige, let's start this side. Sa right side ko, dito sa bandang left side nyo. 1, 2, 3. Galing ay ilabas! Galing ay ilabas! Sa gitna, galing ay ilabas! Let's go, PSC and POC. We can make it louder. Okay, galing ay ilabas!
Galing ng Pilipinas!
Ano tayo? Galing ay ilabas!
Galing ay Pilipinas!
Sabay-sabay. Galing ay ilabas. Galing ng Pilipinas. Galing. Very good. And later we will energize you more. And so together, let's raise our voices. Raise our energy. Magmilo po tayo. Raise our flag para sa bayan, para sa laro, at para sa ating mga atleta. Because at Milo, we really believe that every cheer counts. Kaya talagang we will do our best to gather all the voices we can to support you and to make you fly high. Sama-sama, ipakita natin ang galing ng Pilipinas. Galing ay ilabas!
Galing ng Pilipinas!
Maraming salamat. We will always cheer you on. Maraming salamat po.